beautiful. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find my friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. Just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Yeah. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find my friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Been walking my mind through an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows get to turn your head around. Yeah, there's hours of time on the telephone line, talking about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find my friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's been a few things coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain. Thought I'd see you just one more time, Suzanne. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Did you see that light?